In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove an audiobook from Audible. So if you want to remove an audiobook from Audible, so if you have listened through the audiobook and then you want to get rid of it to free up some space on your mobile phone, what you can do is first of all simply come over to Audible. Once you open up Audible, as you can see, you will be on this page here, and we need to go over now to Library. Once you click on Library, as you can see, you will see all of the audiobooks that you have purchased on Audible. So for example, I have The Magic of Thinking Big, Happy Sexy Millionaire and The Big Leap all downloaded to my Audible. And what you need to do if you want to get rid of one of these is, I will use The Magic of Thinking Big here as an example. You need to click on the three dots right at the side of the title you want to get rid of. Once you click on the three dots, as you can see at the bottom, there is an option now to remove from device. As you can see now, The Magic of Thinking Big is now being removed from my device, and if I want to listen to it again, what I need to do is simply click on it to download it. So it's just that simple to remove an audiobook from Audible, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.